Hello everyone. Windows Automation and AutomationEdge. Picture this. Every morning you open a desktop application, search for a specific record, copy the result, and paste it into a report or an email. 10 minutes every day. Multiply that by 20 working days, and that's over 3 hours a month on just one repetitive task. Now, imagine AutomationEdge doing all of that for you. Launching the app, typing in the search, reading the result, and handing it off to the next step, automatically. This is Windows Automation. In this session, we'll walk through how AutomationEdge interacts with Windows applications, the plugin steps that make it happen, and how you can build this kind of workflow yourself. Let's begin. With Windows Automation and AutomationEdge, you can automate any GUI-based task on a Windows desktop without writing complex code. And why does this matter? It's faster, completely error-free, available 24/7, and it frees your team to focus on higher value work. Whether it's navigating an application, reading or entering data, or managing Windows, everything can be handled seamlessly through simple, powerful plugins. So let's explore those plugins now. Let's look at the building blocks of Windows Automation. Launch application, to open any application. Set value, used to enter data into text fields and areas. Get value, to read data from the screen. Combo box actions. It is used for drop-down menus, lets you automatically select any item from the list. Window actions, to manage application windows. Full control over application windows. Maximize, minimize, restore, close. Mouse actions. Think of it as your virtual hand on the screen for clicking, dragging, scrolling, and more. Now that we have understood the plugins, let's see how GUI Spy simplifies automation development. This is one of the key features that makes creating Windows automation quick and easy. GUI Spy works in 6 simple steps. Step 1. Go to Tools. Select Spy, select GUI Spy. The dialog opens showing Web and Windows options. Step 2. Uncheck Web Automation. Select Windows Automation. Check Find Windows Element Indices for robust automation. Click OK. Step 3. Click the Spy button, then hover your mouse over the Windows element you want to capture. Step 4. Press the tilde key. The Generate Step dialog appears instantly. All element attributes auto-filled. Step 5. Select your step type. Choose the action and criteria for element identification. Step 6. Click Highlight. If you want Highlight to verify the element, then click Generate. The step is created in Process Studio. Let's understand Windows Automation with the help of simple demo. We are going to automate a process of creating a new user in Visual SVN Server. It's a server management tool. Let's see the steps of creating user. Step 1. Open Visual SVN Server Manager. Step 2. Click the Create User link. Step 3. Fill in the username and password. Step 4. Click OK to create the user. Step 5. Verify the user in the Users menu. The steps we'll use are GUI Spy, Launch Application, Mouse Actions, Set Value, and Windows Action. All right, let's see this in action. Before starting actual implementation, here we have Visual SVN Server Manager open. This is a standard Windows desktop application. Let's build the workflow. Here you can see Workflow Windows Automation is open in Canvas. Drag the Start step onto the canvas. Every workflow needs a trigger point. Drag Launch Application onto the canvas. Set the path to Visual SVN Server MSC, startup time to 10 seconds. Fail if error occurs is used to validate the application property. If selected, window path or title becomes mandatory. Windows path is the relative path of the desktop application. It can be entered as string or as regex. Application startup time works as implicit wait. Select Close Application on failure to close the app if validation fails. Runtime error occurs if window path or title is blank. Click OK, open GUI Spy, deselect Web Automation checkbox, and click on Go button. You can see Windows Spy. Click on Spy and hover over the Create New User link, press tilde. In the Generate Step dialog, select GUI Mouse Action. Name it Create User Click. Click on Generate. We can follow the same process and generate step for entering username. Select GUI or Set Value. Name it Username, choose Write Type, set New Text. Let's enter the username Peter in input text and click on Generate. By following the same process, you can see we have generated steps for entering password and confirm password. Select mouse action. Name it Click OK. Action. Click. Criteria. Absolute XPath. Click Generate. Let's go to Menu and select Mouse Action. Name it User Menu Click. Action. Click. Click Generate. Let's use Window Action step to close the application. Drag Window Action onto the canvas. Select Technology Windows. Action. Close. Reuse the window path from previous steps. Click OK. Let's run the workflow. As you can see, it launches Visual SVN Server, clicks on Create New User, sets username, password, and confirm password. Click on OK. Click on User. Here you can see the created user, Peter. Closes the application. Everything in seconds, automatically. Let's bring it all home. Windows Automation handles Windows desktop application without complex code. GUI Spy auto-detects elements and generates steps instantly. The plugins: Launch Application, Mouse Action, Set Value, Get Value, Combo Box, Window Actions, cover desktop scenario. And the results? Faster execution, 0 errors, 24/7 availability. Windows Automation helps organizations reduce manual effort and improve operational efficiency. Visit us at AutomationEdge.com to explore more. For queries, visit to community.automationedge.com. Thank you for joining. Happy automating.